Today I will tell you how to generate analog signal using ESP8266. In ESP8266 there is no analog output port. We just generate analog signal using digital pin. We just create a PWM signal over here. By changing the width of the pulse, we just create analog signal. For that purpose, we just go to Blynk console. Over here in the developer zone, create new template. I just name it analog write. Analog write. I am using ESP8266 right now. My connection type is Wi-Fi. Click over done. Now create a data stream. Go to the data stream using virtual pin. So right now over here I just put analog read, not analog read, analog write. I am using V0 pin. Inside this the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 255 because there is a 8-bit DAC. So now my data stream is created. Go to the web dashboard. Over here you just drag slider inside this, select the data stream V0 over here. Now just save it, increase the size, save this, go to the device, create new device, from template analog write, create. Now this is my code, or you can say my API key. Click over here, go to the code, just copy and paste over here. Now as you see, my template ID is this, template name is analog write, my authentication ID is this. This is my same code, my Wi-Fi ID password is same. I am using virtual pin 0. So over here this is my code. The value is my variable. It comes as an integer through the parameter as an integer. Right now I am using command analog write. I am writing over pin number 5, and the pin number 5 inside the ESP8266 is D1. I just connect D1 to my LED. So I am just changing the brightness using my slider. So over here I just put the value may be from 0 to 255. So over here this is my void setup, serial.begin 115200. This is my baud rate. I just use Blynk app also. Pin mode right now over here is output as a output, 5 as a output. 5 is my D1 pin. So in the loop I just blynk.run. So upload this code inside the ESP8266. It will take some time. After uploading the code, we just go to the hardware part. So now it is writing. So we just move to the hardware. Right now I am just resetting it, hard reset. So over here this red pin is connected to D1 pin because its GPIO number is 5 that I provide inside the code. this is my ground, my LED is connected over here. So now just move to the dashboard, Blynk console dashboard, go to the devices, my device is online, go to analog right. So I just increase the slider. As you see, the brightness comes from the LED. Right now you just increase the brightness using this. So now I'm just decreasing the brightness. You just check over the LED in steps. Okay, so now this is from the dashboard. Now we just move to the mobile app. So over here I just go to the Blynk console, Blynk app. Over here this is my analog right is there. Go to the gearbox, add new device, that is my slider. I just drag this over here, select the data stream, use the data stream. Now I just move just back. Now I just increase, as you see, brightness. Right now you just change the brightness. So this is how you can change or generate analog signal using ESP8266. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.